At least it wasn't back when I was in it. If you couldn't, you know, program the theme yourself, then you were basically a WordPress user, because that's the whole point of WordPress, right? So anybody could just jump in and make it. Here's the Disney, at least the digital media portion of the business's employment flow. You get recruited. Disney wants you to work for them. It's exciting. It's a big name. And their hourly rate is fine. You are now a contractor for Disney. Next, you have been working there now. Right about the 6 to 7 month period, you realize there's a ticking clock. While you might have known this ahead of time, you get reminded that Disney can only keep you as a contractor for a maximum of 18 months. Their first rank is for 1 year. Once you get close to your 1 year mark, your manager, they have to make a case for extending your contract. Once you get to your 18-month mark, Disney has to make a choice. Hire you, that's a full-time employee, or bye. You can imagine how nerve-wracking that is. First off, you have your ID card. You're a Disney employee. Picture on it has the Disney logo. You have a Disney email at disney.com. And you can go into the Disney office. That badge gets you into other places too, other campuses. When your badge gets upgraded to a full-time cast member, they get you a little badge, like the Disney cast members. When you go full-time, you get way more perks. So many perks. You get discounts in all the Disney stores. You get discounts on tickets. You get free tickets. You get so much. The benefits of working for Disney full-time really allow them to underpay their staff a little bit, you know, because you're making it up in other ways. And during my tenure, I got 2 offers for full-time employment. You know, when they told me about the first one, I was pretty like confident. I'm like, okay, cool. Yeah, they're not gonna get rid of me. My boss loves me. I put out good work. That fell through. And then they told me about another one. Long story short, I didn't get hired on either of the projects. You want to hear a story about a senior engineer that shouldn't be? Back when I was still getting like contracting gigs, I started working for this real estate company. They needed a real WordPress programmer. The person that I was kind of relieving the duties of, he wasn't like getting fired or anything. They wanted him to work on other things. He was just like this generic programmer. They considered him a senior because he's the only guy that was there, and he's been there for so long. He was just given a new CMS to work on, and he just did what he knew. And he did the craziest hard-coded PHP programming, completely ignored WordPress functions, did like SQL queries directly. He should not have been left alone with the keys. I had to completely work around landmines constantly, and performance sucks, memory leaks, and super unsecure code. It's exactly the same, no difference between making a game in WordPress and Godot. Oh really? I hope you're not being sarcastic, because it does not play well over Messenger, because I do that a lot when I'm watching other people's streams. I'm like being super sarcastic and they're like, oh, huh, really? Yeah, exactly. We need like a global... Here, we'll do something like this. I think this will help us. It'll only be you and me because we're on this talking right now, but it'll be like this. It'll be like, so the tilde, that's the clue. Being sarcastic. It's like as if you're farting the words out. You know what I mean? Tilde. Wow, we're really even you motherfucker. Oh wait, tilde. Ah, I get it. It was a joke. I like that. There we go. The tilde is the universal symbol of sarcasm in text now. You heard it here first. One more error gone. Okay, let's try it again. The joys of programming. Constant reloading. Troubleshooting errors. Fixing errors to make new errors. Who was it, Sisyphus? Just, you know, rolling a big ass rock up a hill. Can never get it there. Go. Well, looky there. I can walk again. Left and right, at least. So something's up. Oh god, it's getting worse. What is going on? This is insane. I'd like to say I just know offhand why he's having a seizure. But... oh, that's why. Look at this idiot. I just solved it. I think that's it. I think we're good. I just wasn't touching the left style. I was doing the top style for both. Because I'm smart. Have you ever met a smart person? It's like being smart with a little derp. We can all be smart, you know? At sometimes. Sometimes I'm smart. I like to think. That might just be the smirt talking, though. I might never be smart. So I guess I'll never know. I won't be the one to tell you if I'm smart or smirt. So you can read my mind. What 5-digit number am I thinking of? Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do, what did I say? 54222. I'm just gonna like to read your mind. I don't have access to your thoughts. Liar. Okay, so I have to make it fictional. Okay, this is working. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! Not even close. Try harder. Damn it. Think outside of yourself. Damn it. We got this. Hold on. You are not in a... well, hello. Oh, man. It's getting closer. Welcome to your nightmare. Well, I got 2 of them. As they say. 4 and 2 now. Maybe I'm not thinking hard enough. Well, he got the 5 again. We're close. Hey. How's it going? I've been spraying dust off at gnats upside down so that it like freezes them. Because they just attack as soon as I turn on all the lights. I'm hoping it won't be as bad today. But now I feel like I can taste whatever the hell I was spraying in the air this whole time. Little gross. Alright. Hey. Welcome all. Welcome to Orbem. I come to you from my portal in Michigan. I could, you know, come from anywhere, but I choose to be here in my office and on your screen. So that's cool. But yeah. Hey, it's almost Friday Eve. Just keep doing one day. It's Friday Eve. Not very cool. But yeah. It's been pretty busy. So it's gonna feel good to take a load off and try to get this minigame finished, huh? Because we're pretty close. Right? I wonder why the OK symbol isn't something. Thumbs up. Peace sign. Peace sign. Fist. No? Fist. This way? No? Pinky? No? Ooh, rock and roll hands? No? That should be something. How about that? No? How about 2? Oh! I got a new one! Light show! What's up? All right, we got another fun one. That's good. That's very exciting. I like that one. Because, I mean, I like fireworks. That's like a good celebration one. Nope. 2. Fireworks. Nope. What the hell? Fireworks. Oh, wait. Is this fireworks? Oh, yeah. I already forgot. Right. So I like the fireworks. But, dude. Freaking laser show. Let's go. That's great. Well, you know, hopefully we get a bigger crowd today. I'm definitely not doing too well on my average viewer rate for Twitch. Oh my god, I just got attacked. Sometimes like 3 or 4 gnats just show up out of nowhere. But yeah, it's okay. Been in tech news, I've been getting pinged about various platforms that are sounding pretty interesting to me. One of them is Astro. I guess Astro 5 or something is coming out soon. Astro's been around for a few years, and it's a very interesting concept. Now, when they describe the concept, it seems like magic, right? A framework that loads a site without JavaScript, you know, without style sheets. And so it's like very quick. And their newest version is going to allow dynamic content that you can still cache statically. So you have a statically cached site, but then it loads the content afterward, or the dynamic content from whatever source you want. Which is really cool. I mean, for certain websites, it sounds pretty good. Hey! Dak dude, you almost beat Indy. What up, guys? Welcome to the show. Hey! Guess what? I found a new one. Ready? I'm so happy you're here. It's time for a light show. That one was very random, I just found. But now we have more. More celebrations and party time. But yeah, back to Astro. Yeah, when you look under the hood of Astro, it's basically just inlining JavaScript and inlining styling. Like it builds its framework around doing that, so that you don't have to load external JS files. You don't have to load external CSS. So it's a super, you know, no render blocking page load. And it's very fast. 2 thumbs down? Oh, I haven't tried that one. There's another new one. Oh man, we're killing it today. Is 1 thumbs down something? Oh, it just gives you a thumbs down. Yeah, 2 thumbs down is surprisingly difficult to do with my setup. Like, I really have to get my elbows up. But for sad things, I'm excited that we have that. What about peace down? Nothing? Okay, that's fine. Oh, you know one more? On my YouTube comments, a guy told me about the heart. Oh, yeah. I was going to say, somebody said, you know, make a heart with your hands. I was like, oh, damn. Do middle finger? No, it's probably not one. I'd rather not flip off the camera. Because you think this little Korean heart symbol is one? No? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So Astro's one of them. And it seems like I said, they were using an example of like Spotify. They like recreated Spotify with like going from artist to artist page using browser native viewport transitions or view transitions, where it's zero JavaScript transitioning, just using browser's native transition flows that Chrome and other browsers offer now. But I looked into view transitions too, and it basically seems like it is allowing you to transition between CSS states without using CSS transition. So I don't know how, you know, lacking of performance transition is between CSS states using CSS, but apparently view transition is a little bit different. I didn't dig too deep into it, so I don't really know, but yeah, that's one. The other one's Remix. Remix is like an alternative to, what was it, Next.js? Either Next.js or React, I forget which one, but I think it's Next.js. So Remix is, I don't know. I didn't look into it at all. But I guess they all have their place. Yeah. So there we go. So I got to look into those two as alternatives, especially if you're going to be doing a decoupled front end, like a headless WordPress site. It might be cool to try out one of those. Astro is the most bizarre one that I think it's really focused on core vitals, so it might be interesting to try. Mr. Order, I'm working on a better version of Clever, which just uses all the Clever APIs, but the homepage will be very better. All right, well, let's start by saying, what is Clever? It is a learning thing? Well, let's see. The homepage will be better. I mean, the homepage isn't that bad. It's pretty basic. Just basic animations. You talking about a different thing? Oh. Yeah, okay. Talking about... Send me a pic. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what Clever is. Let's see. Clever API. Clever developer docs. I think this is still for schools. Right? Well, what does the school system have? Oh, no, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's a school thing. See? Teacher page. Yeah. No, I was on the right thing. Oh, you're saying the dashboard. You want to create a better dashboard. Like once you're logged in. Cool. Yeah, the site itself, though, is pretty cool. Yeah, you got apps on Clever. So they allow you to basically buy apps. It's like an app store for students and shit. I guess that's kind of cool. Holy crap, they have a lot. And look, it doesn't look like they're loading. This looks like it loaded all of them at the same time. What the nut? Yeah, it's just massive amounts of divs. Holy crap. That seems bad. Let's check. Page speed insights. Go. No, not buying it. Just has a bunch of website for learning that the school district chooses. It just has a bunch of websites? So what, it sends you there? So they can choose which... Well, what's the point of the apps? I don't get it. Failed. Not surprised, but why? I mean, it's not that bad. Actually looks pretty good overall in the 28 day. You're going to use the websites in class to do work. But what's the point of Clever? Is that it allows like you to have student login and stuff? Also teacher pages where they can put whatever websites they want on their profile. I don't get the... Are these like websites had to be vetted or something, and they offer student free stuff? I don't know. I could probably read it, but right now I'm more interested in how performant their website is with all those damn things. Hoo-hoo! That's not good. That is a major fail. And like I thought, it was the LCP. That's killing it. Wow. Well, you know what they say. If desktop is bad, mobile is worse. Yeah. That's a fact. Alright, well. Holy crap. That's crazy. That's 2.5 seconds of blocking time. 28 seconds. Wow, 21.8. It's just a place where there's a bunch of websites. It's easier because it uses SSO, so you don't have to sign any. Oh, okay. So like I thought, it's just like integrated. So you just have access to all these sites. Okay, well. Wonder why you'd want Canva. There were some apps on there. It's like, what the hell are these? Why would a student need Safer Watch? It's a way to people can report crime. Like what? So you can report crimes at your school or something? What about Schmoop? You like Schmoop? Is that your kind of thing? Man, there's a lot of apps. Well, seems like it's saturated market. We don't need to make an app for schools anymore. Test-wise. Ooh, enjoyment of music, 14th edition. Okay, I'm going down a rabbit hole of dumb. You never seen those apps in your life? I have some already picked out apps. Yeah, it just seems like they have like a wide array. That's cool. Whatever. Whatever floats your boat. Okay. Well, how's it going, guys? How you doing? Thanks for responding to my ad about jobs. Let's see if anybody want a job. No. Yeah, I just need more people in my community, I guess, because I get hit up by recruiters like that all the time, and some of them seem like legit positions. It's just either it's too low pay for me, or I don't do contract work anymore, you know, or I don't know. It's not fully remote. Maybe there's somebody in the area, but yeah, I'll just ping my community on LinkedIn or something. Always good to hand out jobs. Web dev channel? 1876? That's true. You were born in 1876. That'll make you what? 100... 20 something. I can't do math right now. Nope. Fortunately, jobs you have to be at least 18, and usually you need to be a citizen of America, which I know you are. But 148? Oh, okay, I went the wrong way. That's fine. I lost a subscriber on YouTube. That happens. It has been a while since I lost a subscriber, but you know, because sometimes it gets like I get randos that just add subscribe during a short or something, and then they get another short they don't like, and they're like, never mind. You're an American. You're a citizen of I Placa. Mars. Interesting. Alright. So, yesterday, I think, before I got this all working, I really like the fake IDE. So I think I just want to put the input in here, which makes me, you know, think that maybe I can place this in here and then allow you to type in here. And then, you know, if you hit the return button while you're focused inside this element, it'll, you know, check if you're right. Now all I have to do is figure out how to do that. And I think I'll even put, like, the instructions in there too. You know what I mean? Like, I'll put, you know, whatever. Translate. What's the word? Translate, transfer, migrate. What does it mean when you change one thing into another in programming language? Transfer? I don't know. But what we need to do, migrate, yeah, I know. It's just like, it's not really migrating, it's like translate. Translate in programming. That's just gonna show me like translating. Changing code from one programming language to another. Translation. Code means semantics. Syntax. Yo, game! Doodal! What is up, dude? I missed you yesterday. Look. We moved on. We moved on to the programming. You know why we moved on? Because you did it. Yeah, I know. Nobody was here yesterday. It was just me and Indy hanging out. You got a chance to catch yesterday's, but you caught the day. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. We did it. We did it, man. Yeah, I was able to just kind of integrate your code in, and we got the mission completion functionality. I was going to show you, but I'm kind of like in the middle of this, and I don't feel like restarting the game if I don't have to. Can't believe you're lying. I know, because you said, I think you said like 65%, and you, I was like, I don't know, I'm just gonna throw it in there, throw the functions in. They looked right, but I mean, nothing I did looked wrong. So I was just like, I hope this works. And yeah, I saw the console logs. I was like, yes. Once I saw it finally work, it was like magic, and I was very happy. So now we get to move on to part 2, which is programming. And once that's done, I get to create a cutscene that'll trigger the boss fight. I got to collect my katana too, so that I can do the boss fight. So we'll figure that out. Yeah, we'll figure that out. We also need. See if I can do this again. I'm not sure it'll work. Pop. Changing IP address. Alright. Doop, 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 doop. Perfect. Ah, come on, dude. Awesome. Okay. This'll work. I think it'll work. Okay. We'll see. Alright, here we go. So, now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to change this to the IDE to be the whole thing. So I'm going to get rid of this. Oop, Game Doodle on YouTube too. I love it. You're working on some random things right now. You know the BR was a thing. Used to create MTP elements. What? Second internet for Twitch. Hell yeah. I like 2 views for the price of 1. Hey, yeah, indie BRs actually are a lot less, you know, they can get kind of messy. So it's actually better to just wrap whatever you're doing in a P tag. Usually, you know. But if you're trying to do just like straight out HTML and you're just trying to get like extra line breaks in there, then yeah, I mean, BR is fine. But usually you would add space with styling. You know what I mean? Just add a margin bottom or something like that to whatever element's above it. You can also use section tags, HTML tags for sections, and, you know, get into HTML5 tags if you want to like look into all the available tags for you, because it really keeps things semantic, which is like really readable, especially for screen readers and stuff like that. Very accessible. So let's do a quick, what the fuck? Let's do a quick clean up on the minigame. So here's the programming part. I want to get rid of you and you. I don't want any of this. Oh no, I want the input section. I just don't want this. I want everything to go in here. Oops. So let's... Oh, actually, I guess I don't... I need to put an input. I don't think I can... I don't want to program an input field. So... I think I'll just make it look like it's part of the input field. Use span, div, depending on what you're doing, yeah. No, not anything can be a tag. Not like properly. You don't need to read my code. You just need it to work. Yeah, alright, that works. Okay. I don't need my code readable. I just need it to work. How are you ever going to learn the proper way, man? If your code isn't readable. Not that I'm doing things the proper way. I'm kind of half-assing a lot of this too. So, I am not one to talk. Alright, let's put this here. Okay, so this is inside the input section now. No, this is inside the programming output. Yeah. Let's try this again. There we go. You just like the magic. That's why I like this channel, cause watch him look off into the middle distance and then magic happens. You mean where I'm just like this and I'm still typing? Yeah, that happens sometimes. My hands have a mind of their own. My buddy thought I was, I had like a pre-recorded video going on in the background because I wasn't really watching my screen as I was working on it. It's all muscle memory, man. Just good. After a while, right? I'm sure you can do the same crap. Okay, so this needs to go inside. So I'm gonna have to actually move that in to here. I really wish I could figure out a way to add that dynamically into here. I mean, I guess I could do it with JavaScript. It's not the worst thing in the world. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. Maybe I can... Like you were playing programming Tetris in your head. Oh, okay. Or I'm just thinking about what to do and I start typing it. That makes more sense. That's less magical. Yeah, let's just do that real quick. So we'll just place this inside the input section, which will be, and then we have engage programming step. Oh yeah, because that completes the mission. That was the change. Why is this acting like it's not in here? Duplicate. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, right. I guess I don't have to pass it twice. Okay. I didn't think about that. So this is the input section. Oh. Well, hold on. Because I need access to shit. So let's actually pass the minigame element that I'm working on here. And then I'll have access to the minigame here. There we go. Better. Minigame. Document.query. Oh, why am I using document? Query selector. And this is input section. Okay. I also need, is the minigame wrapped a minigame? Minigame programming. Let's do that. Minigame. Something I wanted to look up that I saw the other day was somebody was using get element by class name. And I know that's an old thing. I just can't remember if it's better than query selector. Like if it's more specific so it's faster. I don't know. That would be good to look up one day, though. Okay. If input section and minigame programming, then we need to get the programming subject. I guess we should look for that too. Subject equals minigame dot query selector programming subject. All right. So all three of these need to exist. Great. Yeah. You impress yourself when things just work. Haven't got to the efficiency side yet. Yeah, right. If you just get something to work, that makes sense. That's weird. Okay, let's see. So if this all exists, then I basically just need to take programming subject. Oops, I need to take input section and append this. That's basically it. Or is it append child? Yeah, there you go. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. I got attacked. The hell? I feel like I got like a gnat in my nose. Alright. Why do I need minigame programming? I don't know. I forgot. Because that's just the thing here. I'm putting it in here though. So why do I care? Whatever, there's other things I need it for. Well, let's see if this works. First off. And then we'll start getting the whole translation thing. Oh yeah, Game Doodle. What do you think? What's a good word for converting? Oh, I guess convert's a good word. What do you guys think about using convert? Because I was going to say convert this into binary. That actually makes the most sense to me now that I think about it. Convert. Yeah, convert this into binary. Convert this string into binary. That was easy. Let's actually add that. Unlock a QR code that takes people to your webpage. Yep, that'd be good. So this is convert string into binary. And we'll make this bold. Alright, let's see if it worked. Boop. Doop. Boop. It did not. Why not, you ask? Oh, it might have worked. I might have just duplicated it, actually, now that I think about it. Let's get rid of you and you. Oh. Programming subject. Input section. Oh, programming. No, programming output. Oh, I need to put it into programming output. Not input section. You. Programming output. Programming output. Oh. Yeah. Programming output. I should just be able to append child in there. Oh, maybe because they don't all exist. Okay, well, I'm going to get rid of this. Let's try these two. Guess what? Oh, what? What? I'm waiting for your answer before I continue. Always ready. Never a question. Why would you even question it? Boop. Damn it. Why is it not doing anything? Because MailChimp's ready. Let's see. Programming output. Programming output. Maybe it's the minigame I'm passing. Hold on. Minigame. Yeah, it should just be the minigame. Are all covered. Oh. This isn't getting run yet. I have to finish the mission. Alright, for now we're going to not do that. Just for testing. I was basically handicapping myself. Awesome. Alright, let's try again. Bop a boop. Doopy boop. Almost. Keep going. What the nut? Still not working. Why? Let's make sure this is getting hit. Five viewers. Nope. 3 viewers. Keeps fluctuating. We got this. Alright, go. Alright, well, I think we can confirm that that function is not getting hit. Alright, what actually makes this function get hit? Oh. Looks like I'm returning. No, these are the functions. So we got the minigame. Oh, this is... I need to drag something. God damn it, why am I making this so hard? Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll drag something. Doop. There we go. Programming output is not defined. That would be a problem. Did I spell it wrong? I did. What? Did I add too many M's or something? That was a fail, so we deserve some rain. Whew. It's cold in here. Alright, let's try again. Now we know we need to drag something. Boop. Hey, there we go. And it's the right color. Love it. Only I should prepend it, not append it. Let's try that. Should work. Yeah, and I also figured out another one, Game Doodle. If this works, we'll celebrate in style. Uh-oh. What'd I break? Aw, man. Why is that mission gone? We definitely didn't finish the mission. Oh, it's... Shit. It's because this went through. Alright, one more thing we have to disable. Okay, okay. I got it. Come on. Figure this junk out. Nothing can stop us now. Tomorrow. Come on. Ugh, there's so many things I have to go through. I really need to not make myself do this over and over. Alright, well I got rid of the save mission, so we shouldn't have to redo this after this. I swear, we're gonna do dev mode. Right after I finish the boss battle, it's dev mode. We're doing it. Thanks, man. How do you make a header go to the top of the page? Position fixed, top 0. Wait, do you want to stay with you as you scroll, or you just mean stick it to the top? Because if you want to just stick it to the top, then do about, do position absolute, top 0. Just to the top, yeah. Position absolute, top 0, width 100%. That'll get you there. By the way, I muted all the game sounds. There's not an error or anything. Yeah, there's a few ways to do it. That's one of them. You can also do margin. I think it's margin top, auto. You know, if it's just an element on the page. Cheat. Oh god, I hit the wrong button. I only have 30 seconds. Come on, speedrun. I gotta fix that. For some reason, it goes away as soon as I touch the drag destination and not when I go over it. I gotta figure that out. I don't know why that happens. Rocket, drag me, currently dragging. What the oh. What? That's kind of weird, right? Rocket drag. It's like... Why would that get added to the array? That's a trip. It got added to the persist items. Interesting. Yeah. Rocket, rocket, that. It's at the top with the width at 100%, but the left is a little off. Do left 0. Yeah. Left 0. Top left 0. Then they'll just be to the top and left. Alright, well, now we can finish. Back to the minigame. We'll solve that bug another time. Oh yeah, that's right. For some reason, this is not working. What is not working? Refresh. Okay, work. Okay, good. iMagic? Ah, no. I've just been styling for a really long time. There we go. Prepend. I could literally style an entire website just off the top of my head. It's just like, you do it so much. You just memorize all the little fucking functionalities. It's like your times tables, you know what I mean, in math. You just know them all the way to 12 times 12. And it's just repetition.
The Grundle done just followed.
The what just followed? The Grundle done. Hey, you're getting your master's in software development from Boston University. You have a bachelor's in accounting. Are you making a mistake? You've always enjoyed coding and want to do it for a living. Also, segue, Java and Python, hard languages, and yeah, you would love to game dev eventually on the side for your own projects. Very interesting. Well, first off, you can't go wrong with a master's in software development. I didn't know that was a master's. I know computer science, but software development master's from Boston University, that sounds pretty sweet. And you already have a bachelor's in accounting. And you know Java? Java and Python? I mean, you can't go wrong getting into the financial sector then. There's a lot of finance you know, personal finance companies out there. That's what you're teaching? That's pretty sweet. Java and Python? Yeah, well, Java you're never going to use unless you're doing a Minecraft game or something, but Python's big. I'd really focus on learning Python if you're going to get into the personal finance field, especially if you're going to be developing apps for Chase Bank. You know, you're going to be developing apps or working on apps and websites for those types of companies, because you know they're going to really rely on the data science, the analytics, you know, and then all the calculations you need for their new programs and stuff like that. Their credit card stuff. So no, I think starting with a bachelor's in accounting is a major plus for a software developer. At the end of the day, every company wants to make money, so having some financial background, even if what you're doing isn't specifically in the finance field, is going to be a nice plus for people. So good on you for having that on your resume. But yeah, man, I mean, master's in software development, that seems like a lot. Maybe it's overkill. Must have language to be in high demand. Well, Python. That's a high demand language to know. So you're good there. But I think high demand language is definitely going to be probably like React. If you want to really get into software development, there's a lot of React-based platforms out there that are really, you know, that everybody's using. So it's good to know React, React.js. Just wanted to make sure you weren't wasting your money. No, I mean, teach their own. You've already got a bachelor, so you're used to going to school, and that's something that you know, can do. You know what I mean? Some people can't do school like that, and some people really like going to school and learning that way. I didn't go to college. I started working immediately, and I just learned on the job. You know, it might be hard in a way, but it's also a major resume builder. So it's going to be hard for you to find your first job. The degrees are going to help. And you're going to be going to like a FANG, you know, like a Facebook, a Google, a Netflix, a Tesla. You're going to be going to the ones that really require degrees, because you'll automatically have a foot in the door there. But, you know, it's a plus for anybody. You're not dumb. You need to be hand-fed it. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. You know, the best way to learn is doing. I've said it a million times. Just do it, mess with it, touch it, feel it, practice. And the best way to do that is to have something, a goal, you know, not just being fed information. It's like a real project, whether that's a personal project or that's, you know, jumping on Fiverr and grabbing some little gigs or something like that. So yeah, if you're looking for a major infusion of programming experience, I'd jump on some cheapy websites like Upwork, Fiverr, just gig work stuff, Craigslist, and just do it. Just grab little jobs, and just start building stuff. Doesn't matter what language you can learn, no matter what. But you're gonna need to learn how to deal with people, you know. Clients, stakeholders, you know, doing it right, doing it wrong, and then fixing it. Those are all skills you have to learn in the job force. Project graduate with making like a game for iOS or Android. Yeah, man, if you can get into some native work, in that case, I'd probably try to learn some React Native. It's an awesome platform that seems to be in pretty high demand for phone apps. And then it's different than React for web development, but they're similar principles. So you already have like a leg up in the software development field. But yeah, man, good for you. That's pretty dang cool. I can appreciate somebody who can handle going to college that long. I mean, my best friend is getting his master's in design from Stanford right now, but he already has a master's in mathematics from UCLA. And it's like, cool. Keep going, man. He was trying to get his doctorate in data analytics. So I'm like, to each their own. But yeah, if you have any questions about what the hell I'm doing here, feel free to ask. I am always willing to explain. You do web development or both? Could you do boot camps? I would for sure, but I figure hit the student loans up while I'm at it. Yeah. I'm a web developer. That's my day job. So I've been doing web development for like 20 years, specifically WordPress programming, which WordPress is what I'm using to build this game. I've been doing that for like 16 years. So I am a website programmer, web developer, whatever you want to call it. And this is everything I'm doing here. This is web development. I know it's a game, but this is just HTML on a website, you know, JavaScript on a website, styling on a website. You got heartburn after destroying a burger. Why, Dak, dude, what's up, man? Did you ask Indy for some tips on getting cheap burgers, or was it homemade? You can make a game WordPress. I'm doing it right now. Well, not technically you can't. I'm building a game engine so that I can build a game in WordPress. So like you see here, this is a WordPress site. I'm just putting all the assets inside of it. I'm using it to like store images and content and data, and then I save, you know, real-time game data to the database using REST APIs that I register. And yeah, these are all custom post types. So if you know anything about WordPress, this is all very standard WordPress stuff. It's my marketing site. So like this website is in WordPress. Hey, look, it's me. So yeah, this is my marketing site, and I added the game to the website. So this is the old version that's live right now. I'm working on V2 currently on stream. So yeah, make sure you follow, subscribe to YouTube, and you get first-hand knowledge of all the fun industry stuff that I talk about as well. Because because I've been doing it a long time. I used to work for Warner Brothers, used to work for Disney, and I used to work for Universal, Beachbodies, Investors.com. I've worked for some giant corporations, some of the highest traffic sites that WordPress has to offer, and so I've seen it all, and I've been at every level. So if you want to know about the workforce side of it, feel free to ask me anything there as well. Yeah, but I appreciate you jumping on, man, and following. Hopefully you come back every now and then. I'd love to hear what you're learning. You do anything on the side? Just working on little projects? Or are you just really fresh getting into it? Yeah, by the way, right now we're working on a mini game. One of the last mini games. MailChimp ready. What? Wait a second. Where'd that come from? Am I not live? Oh, that's weird. You're just getting into it. Penmoosh. Penmoosh. I don't think so. What's Penmush? C-based mud-like server first release. Oh. Is this a type of language? Oh, is it for games? Unix game. Oh, is it a game? Is Penmoosh a game? It's a soft code. Cool. No, I've never heard of this. Huh. Tiny mud derivative. Branches of mush. Vanilla. Tiny mush. Mush mush. Yeah, I've never even heard of mush. That's pretty cool. Text-based games. Yeah, I had no idea. To be honest, in the game development world, I'm pretty new. This is my first game I'm developing. And it's based off of my book series Orbem. I authored these books that you just saw here, Orbem and Miropelia, and I have 2 more books coming out in the series. So I'm just building the game based off of the actual building the game series off of the game off of the book series. Hey, Dead Slab. Thanks for the raid, man. A mighty raid at that. Cinco de people. Let's go. We got a party going on here. Oh yeah, maybe we can use the new welcome lasers. What is up, people? Well, my screen looks crazy right now. Look at this mess. Got computer chips everywhere and wires sitting around. Oh yeah, I need to drag one. Yeah, right now we're working on a mini game, everybody. Welcome to your WordPress nightmare. This is where all the fun is. 13 views, he said? I'm not paying attention. Oh, hell yeah. Woo! Let's go. We're working on that average 3 viewer goal so we can get affiliate status. It's been slow going. I finally got the amount of followers I need. Now I need to work on getting enough people watching the stream. Yeah, hopefully. It's been pretty good. I mean, it's a lot easier to get better average viewer count when you have more followers, I guess. But man, first, YouTube was popping off and I was getting like a subscriber all the time, and Twitch was dead for like months. But I'm feeling it. We definitely need more people in the Discord. So let's shoot that in there for now. So if anybody's interested, oops, I did that by accident. If anybody's interested in the Discord and I got stuff there for web development, writing, music. All the music you hear in the stream are from my bands. Anything that I've done, recorded, either for Orbem or just old bands and stuff like that. I still record. I do a lot of gigs and stuff on Fiverr, sing and scream on people's songs and stuff. So I always put it in the stream so I don't get DMCA'd. So WordPress is like what? Like a GUI for making the website, or WordPress is a CMS. So it's mostly for like blogs and just for websites that have articles, post sites and stuff like that. If you look at this site right here, DisneySyncLink.com. So like this is on WordPress. This is a website I built for Disney back in the day, and they've kind of restyled it recently. But the theme, I built the theme that's being used for this, and this, so you can use WordPress for anything really. Hey, TJ what up, man? Welcome to the party. Happy to have you. Yeah, so here's DisneySyncLink.com. That's the one I built for Disney. And these giant corporations are using WordPress in interesting ways. And you'd be surprised what companies are actually using WordPress for their major websites. I'm talking about 1 million views a month. I mean, this site right here, investors.com, pretty nice domain name, right? This is the highest trafficked WordPress site, or at least it was Someone might have taken over that title, but I worked on this for years, and this is all WordPress, and you can do anything. Major ad platforms. I mean, anything you can do on any website, you can do on WordPress. Move to the bedroom, do it. Nothing's more interesting than building a game engine on WordPress. This is the most interesting thing you can see on WordPress. A CMS is a content management system. Think Drupal. Was it Webflow? No, maybe not Webflow. Web something. I always forget that one. And WordPress. Yeah. It's just a content management system. It's a platform that you use to manage your content. So there's a lot of them out there, and a lot of them are a lot of newer ones that are, like drag and drop. I think you can consider like Wix a content management system too, stuff like that. Tripod. The backend of WordPress is PHP. So if you see here, all my code for the server side language, which is the backend, this is all PHP. So WordPress has its own kind of proprietary functions that you kind of have to learn. But if you know PHP, you can kind of get around it. It's a class. I use a namespace class structure in my theme. And, this is how in WordPress you can register REST routes. This is how we interact with JavaScript on the front end and saving data to the back end. Like I got save storage items, get a new area. And these basically just hit server-side functions inside of my class from the front end. So I have full control over the data. Like I can do anything client-side because I'm just using vanilla JavaScript. And then I can ping the server and update the database with stuff whenever I need to. So that's how I save your current state. Like right now, since it's a website, if you refresh the page by accident, I can continue and I'm in the same spot, because if you look in the network, when I let go of my current position, it pings the database with a coordinate. And this is over here. So this is one of the REST routes, which is, coordinates. So it's a function I made that saves your current location on the website right now. So if I continue, you see I'm in the same spot. So yeah. And Scotch is great too, by the way, in case you're wondering. Major fan of Scotch. Yeah. So you can get pretty complex with WordPress. I mean, you could, as long as you have access to HTML and you have a basic understanding of the framework, you can do anything with anything if you have access to it. It's just this is the program that I know the best. I also authored a bunch of plugins, in the WordPress directory. This is WordPress's, open source directory. These are the plugins you can install on your site because it's open source, so you can install themes and plugins and not even touch code if you want to. That's the great thing about WordPress. And if you look at some of these here, you see like share buttons. This is me right here. This is my WordPress, profile because I've authored all these plugins here. So like some of them have over 100,000 installs. I mean, these are majorly used plugins, and this is also a big aspect of WordPress, being able to have these free open source plugins that you can offer to people. You love Honey Crisps? What is the cereal? Honestly, I think I haven't had that in 25 years or something. You self-employed now? I'm not. I am fully employed, but I don't talk about my current work. just to avoid any weirdness on stream. You know, I don't know what kind of coworkers are jumping in and out, and if I start like bitching about bosses or coworkers or, you know, something about the company, yeah, it might get a little weird. So yeah, I'll talk all about all the jobs I used to have, but try to not talk about the current stuff. Yeah, no. I'm not offended by it. People ask all the time like what I'm doing now. But I am, you know, I'm in the website programming field still. So that's what I still do. Karen. Freaking Karen, man. Hate that chick. Always fucking around. Always leaving the coffee pot empty or whatever. I don't know. I mean, I work from home, so I don't have office woes. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to go to an office anymore. I used to go to the Disney office when I was there for a couple years. Dude, what a nightmare. Disney was the most unimaginative, like, soul-sucking... That's not true. Warner Brothers had the worst office, but Disney's office was just like a sea of tables. And you just had to... Oh, whoops. I actually need to drag this to make this work. You just had to, you know, find a table. Like, nobody had assigned tables. You had to just kind of find an open table and then, like, claim it. And only full-time employees could actually, like, program their name into the table. And, like, lock it, I guess. I don't know. It was interesting. It was cool going to the other campuses, though. Like, the DreamWorks campus, not DreamWorks, Pixar campus and that kind of stuff. You could see the Imagineers working on shit outside. And that was kind of fun. But the perks did not last long. You're worried about front-end development? That's why you wanted to do back-end? Front-end development's the fun part, man. This is all front-end. It's the fun. It's the stuff you get to look at. How boring is it presenting your back-end? Ooh, I just optimized our query performance by 50%. Cool, thanks. Save the money, you know, save the company 5% on AWS costs. Sweet. But check out this sweet pop-up I just created. That goes away after 30 seconds. Isn't it beautiful? You know. Yeah. That's fun, though. Buddy. You have to ask your wife. But, yeah. Front end's good. You just have to learn styling. You know, you just have to learn how to use JavaScript. I mean, there's plenty of server-side JavaScript nowadays with Node.js and stuff like that, but, you know, you'll just end up learning everything eventually. Ah, Heavyweights. Good movie. Alright, so now that this is in the right spot, I want to make it taller. How tall is it? I guess I could just match the height of the legend. That's kind of what I want to do. What is it? 80 vertical height? No. I think it was like 65? That sounds about right. This is styling right here. Oh, 68. I wonder why mine's not. That's interesting. 68 vertical height. Let's just match it and see if it works. Oh, shoot, man. You followed me? Nice. Go to bed, my friend. You know, have dreams about code. And then write it all down. Tell me what you think. But, yeah, I'll catch you. Yeah, and if you hit up the YouTube, you can see my daily shorts. They're fairly entertaining and informative. But, yeah, I appreciate you following me, man. That's, and get some sleep. I'll catch you in the next one. Boop. Hell yeah. Always good to get another good community member. Oh, see, 68's too big. Do I have like... Oh, it's probably because of the box shadow. You're saying jonking the line. What is jonking? Ugh. What the hell is jonking? Alright, let's switch it to 65, I guess. That'll twerk. Okay, but now that we have it the right size, I need to make the input. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this button, because I'm just going to use the enter key as the trigger. So let's get rid of the button programming. I do not need you. And let's see what we can do with this number field. I'm just gonna have to make it a text area. I don't think I have any way around it. And maybe I'll just program the it to only use numbers or something. I guess it doesn't matter. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Let me Google that .com jonking. All right. Jonking. What the hell? There are no results. What the hell? I like this, by the way. The let me Google it .com. Let me Google that .com. Well, jonking's not a thing, so you ruined it. Look it up normally. Why wouldn't let me Google that work? Oh, Urban Dictionary. Here we go. Posing for a photograph while presenting an intoxicated unconscious person with great enthusiasm. It's like next to a drunk person. I've been there. Good-natured memeing. But what's jonking the line, though? I guess you're just throwing jonking in there instead of walking. Okay, so, and then I need this to be transparent. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Let's see what it looks like with the text area first. And I think it's size. I think it's actually rows and columns. Text area. Can you do placeholders in text areas? I don't think you can. Now that I think about it. Cols equals 10. Let's see if that works. And go. Doop up. Jonking the line. Oh, okay, here we go. Close. It's actually way too many rows. Way too few columns. No. Let's do 50. Hey, that's pretty good. And then rows will do 10. Yeah, I guess that's good. Search up Jonkler. Jonking Skibbity. No, I will not. I don't want to find something weird. I refuse. Can you make a text area responsive? Responsive text area. I don't think you can. Box sizing? Oh, really? You can just add... No, see, that didn't work. That's definitely not 100%. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Specify styles, calls. Oh. So you make the columns too big, and then you say max width. Maybe. That could be just inferring that. Let's see, and then we do max width 100%. Oh yeah, okay. That worked. But will it... Can you even type? What the hell? I think these are in the way. Let's try that. So we'll do 150 rows. Did we say 30? 20. 20 is good. Chocolate is just a joker, but it's usually with the Why So Serious beatbox over it. Oh, okay. Cool. I like it. See, I didn't even have to look it up. And we'll do style, max width 100%. Alright. That's cool. Let's try it again. And then let's get rid of you so we can actually see and try it. Alright. Oh, it's not letting me type. Well, that's some bullshit. I wonder why. You think it has something to do with me turning off the ability to... Turn off the ability to move? Maybe. I think when I'm not walking, I disable the ability to move. Let me double check that. Walking. Walk. How do I turn off my walking again? Let's look up... Oh, maybe it's in here. Stop walking. Do you recommend input or text area, and why? I mean, input's good for like forms, you know, it's only as high as one line. You can't do multi-line. Text area is for multi-line. So if you want to have like a long paragraph inside of an input field, you need to use a text area because you can define the width and the height. And you can make it draggable and resizable. But inputs are everything. Input number, input email, input password, input text. But they're only one line. Can do placeholders for sure. Oh, they can? Okay, good. Hold on, I think I'm going to do one. Gorlock the Destroyer. I'm not looking up anything. Post it in Discord. And then I'll verify that it's not insane. And then I'll show it. I'll click any link, but I won't look up anything. That's my double standard. Window dot stop. No. Walk. No. What was I doing? Can move. No. Move. Movement? No. Alright, I gotta stop messing around. Okay. Engage. Cutscene. And then I put... Oh, allow movement. Ooh. So what does allow movement do? I use it for my movement function. And if I don't have it... then I don't move. Okay, that has nothing to do with typing. So why is my typing not working in my text area? That's kind of weird. I see the cursor. But why? Why won't you let me type in you? I need to. Oh, is it because I put type number? Is that a... Why is that still in there? No. Oh, I was gonna say, like, if I can make a number only. Look up Scott v. Adrian. I refuse. I hate Googling myself. Just kidding, I do it every day. What's up, hermano? Poseidon in the house. How you doing, my friend? He's my brother, Poseidon. Well, he was here for a second. I don't know if he's on anymore, though. Oh, Seashell. What up, buddy? How's it going, man? Join the fun. It's been a sec and a half. Trying to figure out why this text area won't. I don't know. Poseidon in YouTube Shorts live feed. He jumped on to say, "What's up, brother?" in Spanish. Cool. Yeah, things are going well. You know, getting into the swing of things with school and the kids, and you know, work has been busy, but whatever. It's always busy. Sold my house finally in Burbank. That was good. So glad that's over with. And then, yeah, just making progress on the game. Yeah, all good things. So many VIPs, I know. I just VIP'd the lot of all the regulars, and that's the only people that show up. Yeah, for sure, man. Are you kidding me? As soon as I had the ability, I knew Seashell was going to be on the list. Just a sea of VIPs on this. Ugh. And we're hitting some nice big average numbers today, so let's freaking keep it up. I'm so close. I'm like this close to affiliate status. I just need 1.24 more average users. Yeah. Now what we're trying to figure out is how, so you can resize it. How come I'm not allowed to type in here? I'm guessing it has to do with my, like a key up issue. Let's see. Do I have any? Oh, see, I do have a prevent default right here. That is probably why. I probably shouldn't. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is my movement. Probably shouldn't disable keys. I wonder if this would screw the world up. Probably not. Let's see. Let's look at some more key ups. Do I have, am I disabling any more? I don't think so. What about key down? Nope. I think that was the only one. Alright, let's see if that does it. Oh wait, there's 12. I didn't look at all of them. Oh yeah, here's the new song in the background. The newest gig I got. Pretty interesting quality instrumentals, but he liked it. Australian guy. I had to throw it together pretty quickly though. Alright. Let's try again. Can I type? Ugh, hold on. Are you disabling normal keyboard input? Yeah, I guess I was. So that's why I'm trying to not do that. I had that prevent default for walking. Ah, I thought I figured it out. Okay. So something else is actually causing the typing issue. I don't know what. Maybe the fact that this text area... Oh, let me remove that damn numbers. I don't think that's the issue, but it's kind of bugging me that I still have that there. Yeah, let's try this again real quick on the off chance that was the actual issue. Because, yeah, it seems like I could still move fine. And so I don't think removing that prevent default caused any issues. Let's remove Ju and Ju. Okay. Yeah, no. I don't know. It's not letting me type. Hey Orbem, I sent the link in Discord General if you want to see. Yeah, sure, let's see. Google search. Ooh. Gorlok the Destroyer. I'm guessing it's her and not him. Nice. Thanks for that. My eyes appreciated it. Okay, why can't I type in you? Let's see, do I have anything weird going on here? There's a lot of default styling. Alright, Deck Dude. Thanks for jumping on, man. I'll catch you in the next one, my friend. I will. I think our new mission right now is to allow me to type. Now it has me thinking, would it work if it was an input even? Like, I don't even think it would. Let's see. Input type, text. Alright, let's see. Yeah. It's gotta be just typing. I must be screwing something else up. What else is a typing event? Key down, key up, key press? No. I'll just look up key. That's fine. Not. That's fine. Nothing there. Pop, boop, pop. Well, that's annoying. Key guide. Key down. What's cutscene keys? No. Nope. Nope. Let's look at all the prevent defaults. Oh, I found another one. Well, looky there. What? Didn't I get rid of that? Did I undo that deletion? What the hell? That's touch start. Touch, 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 touch. I don't think touch start counts as a key. Drag. Touch, touch, touch. Okay. Let's try it now. I guess I just missed one. Oh, and I think I've been compiling Sass instead of JavaScript, so could both be a reason. Prevent default? Yeah, very smart. You were correct, Indy, and I agree. Alright, let's try again. Boop. And let's get rid of you, get you out of the way. And I think we're good. I'm just calling it. It worked. Oh, yeah. Type. Let's go. All right. So now that we have this, let's make it look like a IDE by getting rid of the background color and the border. And let's make the color the same orange, yellowy that this is using. Pop. Okay. And now it's like I'm typing in an IDE, kind of. Let's get rid of the outline as well. There we go. Now it's just like an open IDE. Are you guys freaking out yet? I don't like this, though, the convert to binary. It's kind of hard to tell. I think I should make this white or something. Maybe. But this is good. Other than this little pull drag. But, man, that's not a big deal. What is that even called? Can you get rid of that? I don't think you can. I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have to celebrate because we fixed that bug. Woo! Alright. This is good. So let's take this for now. Oh, wait. What's with the height? Oh, it automatically changes the height and width. That's kind of cool. Alright, let's add these. Oh, resize none. I think you're right. But that's a attribute. Yeah, because I don't think I want people to be messing around with it. Yeah, that's not a... Or is resize none... I thought it was an attribute. Is that a style? Oh. Oh, interesting. Must be specific for text area. Yeah, you're right. Learn something every day. See, I don't know everything. Okay. This should be good. Using your first most crazy text adventure creator. Oh yeah, duh. Yeah, you do some cool text-based things. You got it. Okay, so we got that. Actually, let's use the same hex code. But I do want to change this to white. Because I actually like the text on top to be a different color. And white is text, so. Code is yellow. Alright, let's give it a look. Let's do that. Alright, it's white. And then let's remove this junk. Da boop. Da boop. And then let's type. Convert this. Convert string into binary. I think I want those to be 2 lines. So it goes B. Oh, dude, this is going to take somebody a really long time. This is kind of annoying. I just realized. Oh my god. PRING. That's bring in binary. You made more PHP IDE sketches. Nice. Excuse me. That's pretty sweet. You're going to start development soon. Nice. Indy, you're stoked to see it come together. Yeah, man. I want to see some more sketches. Once you get more stuff, do a small puzzle, like a 6-letter word or something, and you do it with lights instead of typing. What do you mean lights? A 6-letter word or something, and you do it with lights. Oh, like binary. And that, see, I already have the hardware part, which was like soldering the wires on the computer trip. Now I'm doing the programming part, so this is like supposed to be like programming, but that is actually that is cool, because I mean that's how computer chips work. Maybe I'll make another hardware, like a secondary hardware one, where you actually mess with, you know, ones and zeros, switches. Yeah, this is exactly like programming. Annoying and long. I think I'm gonna shorten the words, because this is kind of annoying. Yeah, I mean, I program in binary all day. Maybe we'll just make it one long word, because I don't know if you can, like, you can't put spaces in binary, so it would be kind of dumb. So if we did like, what's a big word that makes... Hey, let's ask ChatGPT. Give me a word that represents this sentence. What? Bring bisect entry to subject location. Could be insert or place. Make it a long science. Computer science word. Computer science term. Yeah, just the longest words ever. Yeah, I know, Seashell. That's how you talk to your friends. You guys are so cool. 000101010011001. How about, wait, what? I don't want you to give me a bunch. No, I want one word. Make it one word. Can match your book when he figures this out. Yeah, definitely. Scotch. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, here we go. What's this? Repositioning algorithm. Oh. Repositioning. That's pretty good, actually. Well, I don't want him to make up fucking words. Yeah, let's do repositioning. Or what's a word for bringing something to a subject? A word for bringing something to a subject. Transmission. Conveyance. Propagation. What's propagation mean? What if you explain it in binary? Yeah, right, I might understand it better. Brewery. Translate. Retrieve. Oh, I like that one. Translate. Oh, translate, like translate it to the... Yeah, but that, I think, well, I use convert in the directions, so translate might work. Pizza. Pizza might work. Transpose. So the blade takes a laser and it cuts a hole in reality, basically. And then you can, you know, whatever's in the hole, it's a wormhole at that point, and then you go through it and you end up going to the other side of whatever it cut. So, but the whole point of this is that he needs to bring that cutting point to himself or whatever is going to be transported. So that's the big breakthrough, like bring it to the subject. So I was trying to like come up with something that represents changing it from, you know, the door being in front of you to you being in the door. Matrix operation. Transpose might work. But I think transpose is good. I like that. Translate this into binary. We'll do transpose. And we'll do it all caps. Transpose. And we'll change these. Boop. We'll make this. Boop. Convert string into binary. Boop. Alright. And then we'll see what that looks like. Do. Oh my god. SVGs are so long. Computer. Pop up. Okay. Convert string into binary. I also need to focus into the... Wait, how do I focus? Programming. Okay. So I need to focus. what is it? I need the text area. So programming output query selector text area dot focus in. Is that a thing? I might be making that up. That's a lot of SVG code. Yep. Perspective. Ooh, that's another good one. What if it makes you do a random word out of a list? Yeah, it could. I mean, I might have ones like that. Like just throughout the game. Just have a random list generator or whatever. But this one has a specific purpose. The other ones might just be to, like, I don't know, get into a room or something. Let's see. Did that work? I don't think it worked. How do you focus into text area in vanilla JS? I got it open. Might as well use it. Oh, so maybe it's not focusing. Whatever. I was close. Focus. That makes more sense anyways. Oh, and I think I just used SAS. I gotta stop doing that. Cheat codes. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to do something. But I do like the fact that this is built into the mission itself, or the minigame itself. So, like, you know, I can add whatever I want here. And then I'll read the word that's bolded. And then I'll, you know, determine whether it's correct or not. So, in fact, I think I'm going to need a binary converting function so that I don't have to, like, check. Diddly do. Did it work? It doesn't look like it's working. Oh, it's because I didn't do this. Okay, it worked. Good. I forgot that I had to drag something. Alright, cool. So yeah, it'll automatically do this, so at least you know that there's something to type. And then you'll do transpose, and you'll do like, what does it look like? It looks like, looks like, well, this is gonna be fun to test. Boom. And then click enter, and I should probably put directions to click enter when finished, or click return. Hey, Freedom Dow, what up, man? You got hurricanes. Oh, shoot. You getting cozy? Hell yeah. That's cool. You were doing some SVG things? Oh, yeah. Game Duel's been doing some crazy SVG things. Making SVGs, like, sentient. What does that mean? I'm gonna need a translator. Here, let's see. Let's see if Seashell actually said something. Binary translator online. No. Doesn't look like he actually said something. Man, why are you messing with me? I really wanted that to be real. It's real? Why isn't it working? Maybe I'm using the wrong fake binary? Is that what it means? Oh, that was it? Fake binary? That's awesome. Yeah, so we could do this. Yeah, so let me just see binary translator JS function. Number to binary? No. Binary to string? Or either way. Convert binary string to string. Dot, 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 dot. Something like this. Binary to number. Number to binary. Wait, but that's number. I want string. What? Not what I wanted. Oh, here we go. What do they use? Split from char, output join. Is this it? Text to binary. Oh, let's give it a shot. It could work. Oh man. But your letters, you have to correspond to the numbers, but not the real binary values. Nice. It's gibberish. Seashell is gibberish. Nobody knows what that means. So I basically need to do, when you're in here, I need to do, where is it? Text area. Oh, here, let's just add this as a util. It's a little function we can hit. And then let's do this as text area input, which is gonna be here. Text area input. All right, we'll do that. And text area input, and then we'll also do text area input dot add event listener key down. Whoops. Actually, let's do key up. Why not? Cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check. We're gonna check the value. Oh, whatever. Key down. Let's do the value and then, oh no, we want key up. And we're going to check the value of this every time. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Text area to check. And then let's do so we'll check the value. Translate mine. It's a nice message. Is there something wrong with the stream? Seems okay from what I'm watching. Alright, let's do it. Let's see what Indy has to say. Doop. Bop. Aww. Thanks, Indy. No, you're the best. Is it freezing sometime? Oh, maybe I got some dropped frames. That's a new one. Let's see, do I have too many programs open? I don't think so. Weird. What's that mean? Quit that. Why do I have an installer running? Weird. Yeah, no, it does say that there's some dropped frames. For a minute? Oh crap. Wasn't sure if it was Twitch or your computer. Well, let's close some of this junk. I don't have too many things open here, so that's okay. Oh, let's definitely close that. Don't need that. Okay. Yeah, computer has calmed down now. Yeah, the CPU is not that bad. I mean, the FPS is still 60. Looks like my bitrate is looking good. But yeah, it did drop a few frames, so that makes sense. Your guys is freezing somewhat too? Bummer. Yeah, it's not frozen on the feeds that I'm looking at. Weird. But the computer's definitely cooled off, so maybe it should be good now. But let me know if it's still bad. Okay, it's been good for a bit. Yeah, let me know, Seashell, if you're still bad. It's been good? Okay. Alright. We all know Seashell doesn't have a real computer. Yeah. What are you thinking? Reset that browser. I mean, honestly, I'm only going to be on for another, like, 6 minutes. So, might as well just tough it out and keep talking to me. If you can't see what I'm doing. But yeah, go ahead. I won't stop you. 6 GT 1920s. That's true. He's got major GT 920s. The real question is, what am I going to do here? So I need to get the value, but I also need to get the value of the word. So what is the, how do I do that? Let's see here. It is programming subject. Nice. I'm glad I added a class. Const programming. Oh, do I already have that? Programming subject. Doi. No, but we need the word though. Pro. Word equals programming subject. Selector. Strong. Because it's in bold. And then we'll do... So we'll do this. We'll do a set timeout. Because I don't want to just hit this every time they do key up. It's working fine now? Hell yeah. You know what happened? You opened Ableton and it took away UMC sound driver. Ah, okay, okay. Yeah. I mean, I haven't seen this before since I got this new computer, but there's 506 dropped frames, 0.1%. So something definitely happened when everybody was seeing it kind of lagging. And that is disappointing because, you know, the computer just starts going to shit after a while, which is dumb. I guess I could lower my bit rate, because I mean I run it hard because I want to have like the best quality, but you don't need as much as I have. Yeah, it was the best content that you guys totally missed from that 0.1%. I made the coolest face. That's all I'm saying. So here's what we're gonna do. On key up, we're going to clear the timeout. It's gonna be programming timeout, and that's gonna be you const pro. Oh wait, no. Programming timeout equals. We gotta do this. Programming. Ooh, this list is getting long. Timeout. Let's go here. Yep. So we'll clear that out, and then we'll set it right here, and we'll do like a little bit of a second. So as you're typing, if you stop typing for half a second, then I will... Should I just automatically check if they get it right? Or should I make them click enter? I guess it'd be easier if it just auto checks if they're right. But then they won't know if they're wrong either. I guess you'll know you're wrong if it doesn't do anything. Nah, let's make them hit enter, I guess. So on key up, in that case, I don't care. I'm just gonna check if they're using the enter key. What's the enter key code? Enter return key code. It's 13. Okay. So we'll check on ewitch 13. If 13 equals ewitch. So I guess I don't need the timeout. Womp. Wasted time. Wait. So then you'll have to be focused in there and click enter. Yeah. Alright, let's just see if this works. Text area to check. Dot. I always forget this one. Is it value? It's either value or text content. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay. So we're gonna do console log. Enter. Okay, good. It worked. It worked. So when you click enter, I need an error handler. So if it's wrong, we like try again. You should watch Matt Rose. Was it a streamer? You're a little confused on how 5-bit binary works. To me, 00001 would be 1. Yeah, but apparently 1 and A are the same thing in binary, I guess. Matter Rose is a funnier YouTuber. Oh, nice. I'll check him out. Thanks for the suggestion. But with that, we are one step closer to finishing the programming. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow's stream, Friday Eve, we will get the error handling if you get it wrong. And if you get it right, we'll finish the mission and give you points, and we'll close the minigame. That will be the end of the minigame, the two-parter. And then we need to get the functionality where this is hidden until you finish the wire one. And then that should make it all wired up and be good to go. But yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a shame leaving with so many viewers. Represents the number, so I think there's like a 010 ahead of all of these. Yeah. Yeah, it is a little confusing. I mean, I got this legend from... Where did I get it? Binary legend, I think. Oh yeah, that's right. And I got a bunch of random shit. Where did I get this from? I got it from binary code legend. There we go. From here. So this could be completely wrong. Learn binary code by exploring binary number system, translate letters and numbers in binary code. So how could they be wrong is what I'm trying to say. It's made for kids. See, look, binary. With fingers. Decode binary with a hand method. I don't get it. 168421. When a finger is raised, it represents 1 bit in your binary code. 1. What about the number 4? Or the number 5? What about 12? Can you make 16? So 2 equals 16? I don't get it. Yeah, that's a rough 2. Yeah, I mean, this is what they use, so... Whatever. Here's I love you. Oh, not the one. Yeah, that's rough. That's a rough little hand trying to make that work. So 100011. That's not right? One, 4. No, these are all 5-bit. A would be 010001. Yeah, well, for 5, this is for 5-bit binary, I guess. Yeah, this is 5-bit. So I guess that's why. Yeah, I mean, if you get into higher bit, it's probably much different. Why the hell would you want to teach a kid binary? What the fuck is this? Binary joke cards? I don't know, man. Now I regret using them. It's so stupid. And what's this? Oh, here we go. This is what you're talking about. This is with 8-bit. Orbem world speed. I know. That's why. Yeah, this is the 8-bit. So you're right. That's with 8-bit. It's much different, but I think it's a lot quicker with 5-bit. So we'll keep it that way. Is there even more? Is there 16-bit? I mean, is there like a 1,000,000-bit binary? Ooh, Morse code. Yeah. Yeah, you need to brush up on that ASCII to binary. I don't know what you were thinking, man. I knew that like the back of my hand. Well, I guess I can do one more thing here. Let's at least convert this to text and see what it comes out. See if text to binary works. Oh no, I need binary to text. Ooh, okay. So let's, oh no, that's right. No, that's not right. Where is it? Programming word. That's what I need. Let's see what that turns out to be. Text content. Let's see if this text to binary works. Boop. 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 And doop. And boop bop boop 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 bop. Man. Whoa, what the fudge? What is this? Oh shit. I'm gonna need it to make it 8-bit. I mean 5-bit. Okay. Shoot. If I just change this to 5, you think it'll work? Might not. But why is it giving me so much? What is the text content? Oh, programming. Let's console log this as well. Programming word. Text content. Try it again. You learned Caesar cipher a couple months ago for some reason. Nice. Hardcode in the answer, then do a simple check to see if the answer matches yours. Yeah, I can do that. Or I could go the long route. Transpose. Wait, do capital letters make it more? Why? Oh, is it just because it's adding spaces in between? Oh. Transpose. Yeah, it's just adding spaces in between letters. Is that how you should do it? Because I was assuming it was like the word. You just put it all next to each other. But I guess the examples of... No. Cause it different, so it would be different binary maths, yeah. It's all together. Yeah, should I remove the spaces, do you think? I'm just wondering if everybody should. Oh. So there is space in binary. Yeah, I should remove the spaces then. So in that case, this is fine. Wait, is it add? Oh, it is adding it. Okay, let's just remove the space. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do that. Try it again. There we go. Now that's a word. Now all I have to do is tell if I actually did it right or not. Let's do it ourselves and see if we got it right. Alright. So it's bop 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 bop. So far so good. Looks like they got it right. At least based off of this. Uh-huh. 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 Okay, and last but not least. Oh, it looks like what we have there. Let's just put these next to each other. Oh yeah, nailed it. Cool. In that case, fireworks. Nope. 2. Fireworks. There we go. And let's do some laser show. It'd be cool if these were longer and I didn't have to look stupid doing it with my hands. Alright, cool. Well, now we can compare the two and see if they got it right or not. Because this definitely works. So we'll just get binary answer equals that. All right, man. Thanks, Seashell. I'm probably gonna head off in a second too, because I need to sleep as well, and I'm just enjoying all the viewers. Every second counts. Okay, we have the binary answer, so let's just do this now. Tap, 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 tap. I mean, might as well just make it work. Text content. Okay, we have the binary answer, and then text area to check. We'll do if text area to check dot value equals binary answer. Then we'll save the mission. We'll see. I have a feeling that the text area to check is not correct. Boop, doop, doop. You wonder how many of those people have a brain and a mind, and they think that it's all a conspiracy, or conspiracy, and then you have to say something about that. What? What are you saying? Alright. And then let's delete this and this. And let's... Oh, fuck. Am I really gonna have to write this out again? I guess so. Alright. Last time. I'm gonna memorize this. And it did not work. Oops. I'm definitely copying and pasting this next time. Oh, did it not? What the hell? Well, let's check what this value is. And then let's check the binary answer. And we'll see what's up. Gonna be serious here. I don't know what that means. Yeah. It's what Apple recommended me to say. What? Apple? What the hell are you talking about? Alright, we got this. We got this. Pop. And go. Okay. Well, they equal the same thing. Good. Or am I off by one? No, it looks good. So why is it not saving the mission? Good question, me. Maybe it doesn't equal that. Should I like parse int them maybe? Maybe they're turning into strings. One of them is a string. That's the only thing I can think of. Ah, shit. Hold on. Let me copy and paste that again. Maybe there's a space. There might be a space. Because of that. Maybe. Womp. 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 Yeah, I feel like there's a space. Let's just remove any spaces. Replace space with nothing. Same with you, just in case. Replace. Space with nothing. Make sure. The only way I can wait. The only way I could get my money. I can do that, and then you could do that. When we do that, I could come and pick it out, and then pick it up, place it. What the hell are you talking about? I think everyone's going crazy. Oh, it worked. I finished the mission. I didn't realize. Did you realize that it finished? I wasn't paying attention. Damn it. I guess I didn't need to do the replace. It actually worked. I just turned all the sound effects off. So I didn't hear it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think converting it to parse ending was actually working. Alright, everybody. I'm taking that as a win. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out. This has been great. I think we're on a road here. A road to making buku bucks at the expense of people's time. Can't wait. Nah, but yeah. Always a pleasure. Game Doodle. Indie. You know, Dak Dude when you're on. Fucking Seashell jumping on like a pro. Everybody who has followed me today and everybody who has, you know, been checking out my stuff. I will catch you all on the next stream and have a good night. Good night, everybody.